Hello people, welcome to Assisting All. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel for interview preparation content. So in this video, we'll talk about some situation based questions that are asked in HR rounds or MR rounds. So this question was asked by one of you in the comment section. So the question is, you are from non-IT branch, but why do you want to do IT job? Okay, so this is a very trick question and you have to answer it very smartly. Also, before coming to the answer of this question, I would like to tell you all is that whenever you are asked any question that you are not prepared of, do not panic at that moment. Okay, you have to think about that question. Take a few seconds to absorb the question, to think up, to let your mind think about the answer, and then answer the question in a very short and crisp manner. Okay, you do not have to elaborate or exaggerate your answer it in a very short manner, in a very crisp manner. Okay, so now let's quickly move on to the answer of this question, that if you're not from IT branch but still you want to do IT job, why? Okay, so if this question is asked to you, then you have to tell the interviewer about the technical skills that you have acquired in the last few years, or the technical skills that you have, and how these skills match their job requirement. Okay, you have to tell the interviewer about your skill set. Okay, also if you are a fresher and you are from technical, say electrical, civil or mechanical, or electronics, or any other core department other than computer science, but you enjoy coding, so you have to let the interviewer know about this. You have to tell the interviewer about this, that you enjoy coding. You should tell them that I enjoy coding, I enjoy solving problems through programming because it teaches us to think. So you have to tell them, why do you like coding? Once you say that you enjoy coding, the interviewer might ask you that why do you like coding, why do you enjoy coding? So you have to tell them that I like coding, programming, because it teaches us to think. I like how we can solve a problem or approach a problem through different ways. We can make it efficient through different algorithms. Okay, so you have to tell them about this. Also, you can tell that the thinking process is what intrigues me the most. The thinking process of the solution is what intrigues me the most. Okay, so please note down all the points that I have mentioned. Frame a proper, short and crisp answer, and then answer it whenever you are asked this question. Okay, so this is all about this question. I'll come back with another question. I'll be uploading more such questions very soon. Please do like this video, share this video with all of your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't. And thank you for watching.